Dear students, let us start Understanding Quadrilateral Part 2. Here in this section, we shall discuss about some of the measures of the exterior angles of a polygon. All of you know about polygon. Polygon is a closed figure bounded by line segments. Triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, all are polygons. So let us first take a triangle. So here in the triangle ABC, angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3 are the interior angles, and angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6 are the exterior angles. So from the figure you can observe angle 1 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree because they are linear pair. Similarly, angle 2 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree and angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree. They are linear pair. So by adding all these, that means angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is equal to 540 degree. But we know that in a triangle the sum of three angles is 180 degree. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. So by comparing above equations, we conclude that angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is equal to 360 degree. Hence, sum of the exterior angles of a triangle is 360 degree. We have proved it. Let us take a quadrilateral. Here in the figure, quadrilateral is ABCD. So here angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4 are the interior angles, and angle 5, angle 6, angle 7 and angle 8 are the exterior angles. From the figure, we observe that angle 1 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree because they are linear pair. So similarly, angle 2 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree, angle 3 plus angle 7 is equal to 180 degree, angle 4 plus angle 8 is equal to 180 degree because they are all linear pair. So by adding all these four equations, we got angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 plus angle 8 is equal to 720 degree. But we know that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 360 degree because the sum of four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So by comparing the above two equations, we got angle 5 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 plus angle 8 is equal to 360 degree. Hence, the sum of the exterior angles of a quadrilateral is also 360 degree. Then let us take a pentagon ABCDE. Look at the figure. Here angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4 and angle 5 are interior angles, and angle 6, angle 7, angle 8, angle 9 and angle 10 are the exterior angles. From the figure you can observe that angle 1 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree because they are linear pair. Similarly, angle 2 plus angle 7 is equal to 180 degree, angle 3 plus angle 8 is equal to 180 degree, angle 4 plus angle 9 is equal to 180 degree and angle 5 plus angle 10 is equal to 180 degree because all are linear pairs. So if we add all these 5 equations, we got angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 plus angle 8 plus angle 9 plus angle 10 is equal to 900 degree. But we know that the sum of the 4 angles of a pentagon is 540 degree. That means angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 540 degree. So by comparing the above two equations, we got angle 6 plus angle 7 plus angle 8 plus angle 9 plus angle 10 is equal to 360 degree. So hence sum of the exterior angles of a pentagon is also 360 degree. So in this way we can prove for all the polygons, any polygon you can take, the sum of the measures of the external angles of any polygon is 360 degree. So let us discuss some examples using this property. So here is example, first example is there. In this diagram, observe the diagram, find the measure of theta in the given figure. In the figure, it is a quadrilateral ABCD. Out of 4 exterior angles, 3 exterior angles are given. So we know sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Here also angle, the sum of 4 exterior angles is 360 degree. So theta plus 90 degree plus 50 degree plus 110 degree is equal to 360 degree. So this implies theta plus 250 degrees 360 degree. So theta is equal to 110 degree. So next example, find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose each exterior angle has a measure of 45 degree. So this is the solution. The total measure of all exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. We have proved this. So measure of each exterior angle is 45 degree. So therefore the number of exterior angles is 360 divided by 45, that is 8. So hence the polygon has 8 sides. That means it is a regular octagon. So this is all about the exterior angles of a polygon, and the sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. Thank you.